How to share content from Pinterest. In order to share content from Pinterest, you first of all need to need to have an account, and also make sure that your application is updated to the latest version alongside you're connected to a stable internet. So basically, to share a content from Pinterest, you first need to open the Pinterest app on your device, after which you need to go ahead and look for the content that you like to share. For example, if you want to share this particular image, you just need to launch open first of all, and then tap on the share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select the way, whether you want to share it on Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever, or copy the link. You do this and then send it to the user or the person who you actually want to share. So this way you'll be able to share content from Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.